Welcome back to my channel, Licensed Immigration. Today I will show you how to fill out the newest version Form I-751, Petition to Remove Conditions on Residence, Part 2. I will guide you step by step. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also turn on notification bell to receive notification when I upload new videos. If you want to have a better understanding of this form, you need to watch the whole video. Remember also, this forms always have a continuation part, so you must watch all the parts of the video for you to have a better understanding. Be aware this filing fee for now is $6.80. It may vary time to time. So I'm gonna continue filling out the form where I left off in previous part. So here, if you are married, is this different married than the one through which you gain conditional residence status? Have you ever resided at any other address since you became a permanent resident? And then here, if you answer yes to item number 22, provide a list of addresses where you have resided since becoming a permanent resident and the day you resided at all those locations in the space provided in Part 11. Additional information. 23. Item 23. If your spouse or parent spouse currently living, serving, and employed by the U.S. government, serving outside the United States, yes or no? Remember, this question may vary for each person. For my example, is all no. Part 2. Biographic information. So Hispanic. If you're Hispanic or not Hispanic. And then here, race, if you're white, Asian, black, or African American, American Indian, or Alaska Native. Your height, remember you have to scroll down to get this number in the form. 5 through pounds, you have to pounds. What colors of your eyes? Black, blue, brown. It depends on you. Hair color, black, blonde, brown. So in part 3, basis for petition, joint filing. My conditional residence based on my marriage or your parent marriage to your U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, and I'm filing this joint petition together with. So select only one option that applies to you. This is spouse. Waiver or individual filing request. My conditional residence is based on my marriage or my parent marriage to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. I'm unavailable to file joint petition with my spouse or my parent spouse because. So here you will fill in that option if it applies to you. My spouse is deceased. My marriage was entered in a good faith, but the marriage was terminated through a divorce. So if it applies to you, you click in the option. In part 4, information about the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse. If filing as a child separately, information about the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident step parent through whom you gain your conditional residence. So I said later spouse, and then I have to go up. So here I have to put the name, the last name of the spouse, the first name, the middle name if applicable. Oh my god, sorry guys, it went the wrong way here. Rahui Ram. Date of birth. U.S. Social Security number if applicable, if any. Alien number if any. The street number where your spouse resides. like I explained in previous videos, if it doesn't let you fill in, you see this part is blank, the other rest are in blue, and it's not letting me fill it in, so I will use black ink to fill this in. For the state, you need to scroll down. Zip code. Part 5, information about children. If you have children, provide this information here. So let's say this person does have children. Alien number, if any. Is this child living with you? Yes or no. Is this child applying with you? Yes or no. Let's say it is. So you have to provide a physical address where the child is living in. If you have additional children, you must provide additional children information if it applies to you. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also turn on your notification bell to receive notification when I upload a new video. Stay tuned for a new video. Stay tuned for the next part of this form. Let's continue with filling out this form, and have a blessed day.